top-down truck stop. In this early version of the story, McQueen gets separated from Mac after he takes a break at a truck stop.
What's going on, Mac? Why are we stopping?
Well, we kind of hit a moth blizzard back there, you know. Got a grill full, can't even see. I gotta wash up.
You do realize we're going 0 miles an hour right now. All those cars we passed, they're getting ahead.
Don't worry, I'll be back in a minute. You can time me. Oh boy, I need a double shot of Diesel Espresso bad.
Yeah.
I'm Mia. I'm Tia. We're twins. Can you tell?
Have you seen my driver? Big, ugly guy, kind of slow.
Hey, everybody, it's Lightning McQueen.
Hey, brother, look, it's that race car. Whoa, we never get celebrities around here.
Hey, buddy, you won that race.
You saw me win?
Yeah, you were robbed. They totally took it away from you.
Tires or no tires, you had him by a tread.
Totally.
All right, Freddy. Give it to me, Freddy. Hit me. All right, Freddy, that's good. That's enough. I'm up. Ooh, boy, am I up. And when you crawled across the finish line, oh my gosh, you had me all choked up.
You're the fastest car I've ever seen.
Hey, he doesn't even have headlights. They're just stickers.
Yep, little known fact, race cars don't need headlights. The track is always lit.
So's my brother, but he still needs headlights. I'm back. I got all the bugs out. I'm ready to go. Amazing what a little blast of caffeine can do. I can drive all night. No more stop till we get to California. Here we go.
Hey, McQueen, you need some lights? How about these?
That's nothing. Check these out over here.
How about this one?
Thanks, but I gotta find Mac. Mac? Where'd you go? Mac!
This guy's great. He's doing donuts for us.
I'll never wash this pavement again.
Oh, Mac! No, stop! Mac!
You be sure to come back now, you hear?
Don't drive like my brother.
And don't drive like my brother.